Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 10 the shoemaker and the earls. In today's session, we will discuss the bits of this lesson. Bit E and bit B will note down in the classwork. Now, we will discuss bit C. Play with words. In that bit C, the words know, N-O, and K-N-O-W, know, have the same sound but have different meanings. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now, if we see this N-O, no, and K-N-O-W, no. No and K-N-O-W, no. The spelling as well as the meanings are different, but the pronunciation of both the words are similar. In the same way, here in the bracket, two options are given. Their spelling is different, meaning is different, but pronunciation is similar. You have to choose the correct word from the bracket and write it on the blank. Now here the first question is, a dash is a fruit. In that, the second blank is, I have a dash of new socks. So here the words in the bracket are P-A-I-R, pair, and P-E-A-R, pear. So here, pear means two, pear is the name of a fruit. So here the first blank is P-E-A-R, pear, whereas the word in the second blank of the first question is pear, P-A-I-R, pear. I have a pair of new socks. So pair means here two. I have a pair of new socks. Okay. In the same way, second one, children. Here the first fill in the blank of second question is, I like to go dash school. I like to go dash school. Whereas the second one is, we have dash ears. We have dash ears. The words in the bracket are TWO2, TO2. Okay. So TWO means it's two. TO2. Now which word, what is the suitable word that should be written on the first blank, children? Come on, guess the answer. I like to go to TO2 school. Whereas the second blank is, we have TWO2 years. We have TWO2 years. Next, third one, what did Rosie dash? What did Rosie dash? Second one, Mumbai is near the dash. Mumbai is near the dash, and the options are SEAC, SEEC. So SEAC is a water body, whereas SEEC means to look. So what is the suitable word here, children? What did Rosie see? SEEC. Whereas the second one is, Mumbai is near the sea. SEAC. Okay. Now let's read the fill in the blank, children. A pear is a fruit. I have a pair of new socks. Second one, I like to go to school. We have 2 ears. Third one, what did Rosie see? Mumbai is near the sea. Okay. Now next, spelling. In spelling, Bit D. Read the clues to find words from the lesson. Here clues are given. You have to write the word here. Fill in the missing letters and write the word, and that word is from the lesson. So here the first question is Rex made these. Rex made these. So what do Rex made? Rex made these. So what do Rex do? Rex makes the shoes. So here the answer is shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Second one, Rex brought leather with this. Rex brought leather with this. And the starting letter is M. So with what? Rex brought leather with money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. He paid money and brought leather. Third one, Rex and Rosie hid behind this. Rex and Rosie hid behind this. So, behind what both Rex and Rosie hide? The starting letter is D. So, they hide behind the door. D-O-O-R, door. Now, the last fourth one. Rex and Rosie saw them dancing and singing. Rex and Rosie saw them dancing and singing. So, who were dancing and singing? The 5 elves were dancing and singing. So, here the correct word is elves. E-L-V-E-S. Elves. Now let's read the sentences, children. First one, Rex made these shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Second one, Rex bought leather with this. And the answer is money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Third one, Rex and Rosie hid behind this. And the answer is D-O-O-R. Door. And the last fourth one, children, Rex and Rosie saw them dancing and singing. And the answer is elves. E-L-V-E-S. Elves. Okay. Now next, grammar fun. In grammar fun, we are going to learn about the adjectives. Adjectives means describing words. So, bit E, children, choose the opposites of these words in the word such. So, here the word such is given. You have to choose the opposites of the question words. So, here the words are, first one is first, second one happy, third word big, fourth one wrong, fifth one day, and last sixth is week. You have to find the opposites of these 6 words in the word search. So here the first one is done for us, children. Here F-I-R-S-T, first, and the opposite is L-A-S-T, last. First, last. Now second one, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, and the opposite of happy is S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. So first, last, L-A-S-T, last. And second one is happy, S-A-D, sad. And third word is B-I-G, big. And the opposite of big is S-M-A-L-L, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Next, fourth one, children. Here the fourth word is W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Opposite of wrong is R-I-G-H-T, right. Wrong, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Now the fifth word, children. D-A-Y, day. Come on, guess the answer. What is the opposite of day? It's night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Now the last sixth word is weak. W-E-A-K, weak. And the opposite of weak is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Weak, strong. Weak, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Okay, now let's read the opposites, children. First one, first, last. Happy, sad. Third one, big, small. Fourth, wrong, right. Fifth opposite, day, night. And the last sixth one, weak, strong. Okay. Now last bit of this lesson, bit F. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words. In each question, one of the word is underlined. You have to write the opposite of the underlined word in the blank. So here the first fill in the blank is Rex has a black coat. Rex has a black coat. Rosie has a dash dress. So here the word underlined is black. So what is the opposite of black? Black, white. So here the answer is W-H-I-T-E, Rex has a black coat. Rosie has a white dress. Okay. Now second one. A rose bush is short, but a coconut tree is dash. A rose bush is short, but a coconut tree is, opposite of short is tall. A coconut tree is tall. Short, tall. Black, white. Third fill in the blank. A lion is a big animal, but an ant is a dash animal. So here the underlined word is big. What is the opposite of big? It's small. A lion is a big animal, but an ant is a small animal. Next, fourth one. A hare can run very fast, but a tortoise is dash. A hare can run very fast, but a tortoise is, opposite of fast is slow. But a tortoise is slow. S-L-O-W, slow. Now the last fifth fill in the blank. I give away an old toy when I get a dash one. I give away an old toy when I get a dash one. And here the underlined word is O-L-D, old. And the opposite of old is N-E-W, new. I give away an old toy when I get a new one. Okay. Now let's read the fill in the blank, children. First one, Rex has a black coat. Rosie has a white dress. Black, white. Second one, a rose bush is short, but a coconut tree is tall. Short, tall. Third one, a lion is a big animal, but an ant is a small animal. Big, small. Fourth one, a hare can run very fast, but a tortoise is slow. Fast, slow. And the last fifth one, I give away an old toy when I get a new one. Old, new. Okay, children. Now with this we have completed all the bits of lesson 10. Now coming to today's year homework. Learn and write all the bits of lesson 10 in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.